Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I just found something very interesting that I want to share with you. So I found this little ChatGPT prompt that you can use, and it is very useful as you can use ChatGPT to become a prompt generator. So ChatGPT can write the perfect prompts for you just by pasting in this little text, and let me show you how it will work. So copy and paste this text as this little article tells you. So let's copy it and paste it in ChatGPT. And like this, ChatGPT will act like a prompt creator, a prompt designer. And it will tell us that, hey, what should the prompt be about? This will be the first step that it will do. And let's write about how to sell a smartphone using an affiliate link on my Facebook page. Okay, so this will be the subject of the prompt, and it will provide a revised prompt. How can I effectively sell a smartphone using an affiliate link on my Facebook page? And keep in mind, this is just a crude prompt and you can refine it. It will provide suggestions, include details about the smartphone specifications and unique features, explain benefits, and so on. Questions: what specific smartphone are you trying to sell? Are there any special promotions or discounts available? And you can change the prompt and answer these questions. So I want to sell a, let's write XYZ smartphone, and there are many promotions for it. Currently it is 50% discounted. I have full personal experience using it. I am very happy with it, for example. And like this, we will get a revised prompt. How can I effectively promote and sell the XYZ smartphone, which is currently 50% discounted, using the affiliate link on my Facebook page while sharing my positive personal experience with the device? So if we copy this prompt, we will get an actual response for it. So for this, it is recommended that you start a new chat. Otherwise, the previous conversations might be a bit annoying, for a bit noisy for ChatGPT. And for this, you can continue improving your prompt, or simply you can get the prompt that ChatGPT suggests and create a new conversation, paste the prompt, and here is the content that we will get based on this prompt. And you will see that it is high quality and based on the prompts that we will get. So keep in mind that you can use this feature of the AI-matic plugin. So it seems that ChatGPT is not working right now. We can try and create a new chat, for example, like this, and we will be getting the response in no time, or at least hopefully. So here it is. Our response is actually coming and being written right now. So this method can be used also in combination with the AI-matic plugin, as if you don't know how to write a prompt, you can use ChatGPT using this little method that I will be linking in this video's description, and you will be able to use ChatGPT as a prompt engineer, and it can write prompts for you which are high quality and laser focused on what you need based on these suggestions and questions. Simply answer the questions and follow the suggestions from here, and ChatGPT will provide high quality prompts for you. This link is found in this video description. I hope this info is helpful for you guys. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Until next time, bye bye.